This video's been a long time coming. It's currently December outside right now. I mean, it's December everywhere. It's December right now. So, I haven't worked on the lawnmower in 2 months. So here's the footage from when I was working on it. Also, stay tuned for weekly videos. Now that the engine's out, I have to elongate these holes. The pulley overlaps by like 3/4 of an inch, so I'm gonna make the holes 1.5 inches longer. I'm just gonna drill a hole like right there. And then use either my angle grinder or my Dremel with a cutoff wheel and cut out a slot so then I can slide the engine forward. Alright, so I got the keyway in now. Old pulley that I cut as a spacer so I can use the same bolt.